Well, hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at, for this particular case, how the moment about O uh, created by this force F here. So the general equation to find the moment for this is the m vector is equal to the r vector, which is a displacement vector, times or cross multiplied by a force. We have the force, but we don't need, this is a general equation, but also remember to understand that if the force is perpendicular to the r, we can simplify this, and we can say that the moment is equal to r times the force. And we can look at this diagram and see which direction this force. Now this only happens, we can only use this equation if the force and this r is perpendicular to this force. So with that, we can say, I'm going to have this be green so we can take a look. So with that, we know that F is perpendicular to this line here. We also know that A is perpendicular, but we can also make a line that's parallel to the force by here and making this a right triangle here. With that, we can say that that is C. Furthermore, we can say that we can use this this equation, dm is equal to rf, because we know that f and r from here to here is perpendicular to each other. So now that we can know that, it becomes m is equal to, well, let's take a look at what r is first. So r in this case is just a plus c. So we're instituting this whole thing that is a plus c. Now we know a. A would be given, and a is given in this one. But we don't know c. But we do know the components of c. So we can say that c is equal to b times the cosine of theta. Now, once we know this b, we know this theta, and we know this a, now we know this c. So we can just multiply m, we can find the moment by saying that r times f. Or in this case, if we want to work it out, we can say that moment is equal to the quantity a plus b cosine of theta, which is our r, and then we are given f. And we could do that because we made an r that was perpendicular along this axis that's perpendicular to this f. If you do this in 2 dimensions, it's fairly easy. If 3 dimensions, it gets a little more complex, but you guys can handle that. Hope this video helps, and I will see you soon.